Yeah. Gaza. Hey! Yeah, people, blessed Saturday morning, you see me? John, I stumble up on a video where, yo, this is trauma to me. You get me I say? Because me hear thief. That's why I can't support scamming. And I don't care if a white people now scam. Go work. See what I say? Yeah, go work. And most scammers, as just as most people, me tell you now, in our earth, them evil. There's way more evil people and good. So when you find say the scammer them who you've been helping enough of the time, when they make them money, don't look for them come back come help you. And don't help you can look for get for them buy your shreps and special and rum. Don't think them might buy your food. You see what I say? Because them money there go to some blood clot demons for nyam down your energy, drain you down. Imagine you have money and rich and can't put on weight. Imagine you have money, rich, and the food where you eat, now put on no weight on you because you are stressed and a fret and have all type of demon and ride you. Plus, the scammer them have certain rules where them have to live by, how them have to spend their money. You get me I say? Yes, so that is why you see enough scammers, them not really look out for them friend them, unless the friend where them look out for, them are scam too. Them not the same bloody works like them. You see me? So stay far from scammers. You don't want them money. You hear me, people? Yeah. So apart from the scammer them, them not so bad enough. Look at you, them we are scam on cell phone and pull all these credit card scams. Them not so bad like these Zojak and these Hapilos music. Because you remember when the youth got exposed Hapilos, I beat them in the comment, you see, and now see it come right back around here. These are the real big bumbleclad scammers who are protected by the government. Them people are rob millionaire artists, they are the slave master, they are the background master. Enough of them people are, yo, why Jamaican black people and black artists allow them white bumblehole big organization people have to rob them? You can't go there with some gas and just bumbleclad take them down. You can't go to the Hapilos place them if them are who wanna rob so much on the artists. You can't just go there with some gas, all SSL bumbleclad. Why them still have building in a Jamaica? Jamaica on the need for the better. All of these people when they are rob artists for years, I rob the nation, JPS. Andrew saying that go get rid of them. Why are they still here? What Jamaica do about it? You get out some of them people, man. Riot. Cause some bumble will need for quiet. Hapilos, them stink. You see me? I'm glad for beat them here now. I'm glad say me I do back vlogging for beat them nasty ass. Because I used to tag them and whip them all over in the comment section when the first artist did expose them, you know. That's all them little bumble will thief the artist them and them just sit down in a blood clot AC now the shit. Them not a talent. These Hapilos people, PR people and all these distributors and these nasty slave master ass. Let me tell you see them people who own these organizations, yeah? And them are the fucking outside of them will for beat and chase. Like what Bob Marley said, chase those crazy ballheads out of our town. Jamaica, we have to chase those crazy ballheads out of our town. Cause it's Zion I build the camp, sir. And Zion I plant the corn. So chase those crazy ballheads out of our town. Yo, with a chase politician, Andrew them and all of them will lie to the people about the TCN, the third country national them, the despicable them. On stop, listen to Andrew. Because we know Andrew for being a two-mouth liar, a two-side cutlass, a two-blood-clad tongue-mouth bumblehole. Zane, Andrew say him nah trouble the Cuban, then him got trouble the Cuban. Andrew say him get rid of JPS, him not get rid of them. Andrew say we can sleep with the door lock. The amount of thing Andrew say vaccine safe and it kill off the people till them come say sorry. Yo, people, Jamaica need to rise up and chase every bumbleclap parasite where nyam out of the people them at Jamaica. A feast on the people them at Jamaica. Me see the SSL people them were rob Bolt. Before the news came out, say the SSL people them are rob Bolt. Me get to know one of the SSL worker them. He was one of the manager them. He used to forward over Barbican when me there with Tyrical, the big reggae singer. We say we no want no gorilla war in the music. Artists up kill next artist, them a lose it. No gorilla war. You see me? See Kemar McGregor rob Cargo how much money. Them bumble them producer, them distributor. Them thief here, people, Jamaica wanna stop put up with it. Jamaica stop put up with it. Chase where some people out. It's time for clean up. This are with them yard. See the people with ways of alligators and dogs. Upgrading the data with your bank fraud. Cause just yesterday the rent rates at the landlord. Listen, them push me to the ground and we getting up. Tired of the promises and the petty work. When them a make the coil, we collect the buck. Them a get all of the steam fish and spaghetti stuff. Well, I'm not bad mind. Go and get enough. Go and full up them belly, make them go and stress them gut. Till them get them judgment. And them get the cup make from the tip of them long to the bottom of them belly bus. Me a the volcano. Where you make you up now with the water for drink. I fi make you up my phone with link my links. I can edit cut not time again as me things. And me want to press me shot one day you must sink. And we stepping up through the man black skin. Damn you set him up through you come me talking. We a go set shit up and we a go fling them up in the back. I run machete truck yo. Make we clean up I with damn yard. See the people with ways of alligators and dogs. Yeah, we need to chase out all of the backramasa. Fuck of them. Ass face donkey chang theme bumbleclot head for shove up in one of the ass bottom them a cameras and whip the ass make him gallop with ass face chang head up in the ass bottom and gallop with the rest of ass face chang body look like the tail of the ass when him a gallop. We need to start deal with them bumblewall leaders here. These thief Hapilos you know for burn. Jamaica wanna do wake up no man. You not ready. I want to know, not see the place I get worse and worse. Them bumbleclad green people here we are lead. I in a shit them a lead we and I be a lie. Andrew tell ass face Changa tell lie all the time. Dar Vazima tell lie all the time but bumbleclad goods now get tamper with the airport. The whole of them bumble light white bumbleclad red skin forget chase out of Jamaica dog. Yo watch I'm gonna show you. You see it? Jamaica wants support the fucked up white people them. But you see the good white people them like Joe Bogdanovich and them who for protect. You see the good white people them like Mark Golding and them who for protect. Ono can't say Mark Golding rob no bumbleclad black people. Zin? And if Mark Golding thief money out of politics them long time there, nothing done blood clot wrong with that because politician a thief from morning. But me sure know say if you don't have blood clot sense, you will know say this is a time now where it call for a change. And we see where Mark Golding want to make the change. Zin, just like how we get Joe Bogdanovich. Zin, we have our own black bumbleclad batty boy Leng with him fat sour blood clad pig gut boy him son. Zin, and all of them fat and black and shine and a rob black people all the time for how much years. Zin, and a scrape. You hear Ninja Man tell you about that bumble Leng there, we keep sting there. Zin, him and him son them rob up the artist and want to live rich. Now look how the white man Joe Bogdanovich come do. Him pay the artist them good and him Kemar McGregor want to fight out. Uno for know the white people them will for have for help protect we and for pay we right. Zin? But yet still uno want chase where the good white people them and blood clot hold on to the fucked up white people them were there for drain out to blood clot thing. Are two white people I know about right now. Zin? And it's Mark Golding and Joe Bogdanovich. Them two white people are our Jamaican them. Zin them are good people, them mean the best for Jamaicans. But uno done spot uno fail for see it. And you see it? Now the labor right here them start open up and see say Andrew take them for idiot. And Hapilos, I could go beat Hapilos and go in at this. Because yo, I'm sick and tired. A long time I tell you no, me no like bad mind, corrupt, thieving people. And them just rob out nation for we suffer more. And yo, brother, Hapilos them for burn down. Zodiac them, because I see people are lick out on Zodiac in the comments, you know. So all of them thieving entity, we need to get rid of them. Make we go in at this. I mean, I'm not laughing. Jamaica, drastic time call for drastic measures. And now is the time. I want to know, man.
I'm not going to accept it. If you have a story to share, visit survivinghapilos.com. Sir, I'm going to ask you if you can. No. Listen to it.
You see it? And then Hapilos, them hire some people where protect the company instead of protect the artists them. Sometimes I work for some people where I wicked them over the years, you know. And when I see the people come there for them things, I can't side with my boss if my boss a rob them. I go try talk to the people them with it. And now I'm different. I think the boss can come hire me where I rob people and make me have to be the middleman between my boss where I rob people and the people them where I come forget them things. You're mad? You're mad? Me I go give the people them every secret, every information them need for know how for best to get the money from my boss. Me I go sell out my boss if I find out that my boss are rob people. Because I not support them thing there. You get me? I say, look how long black people are suffer from slavery and them still a bumbucklad. Them bumbucklad people are come to Jamaica and come and go and like them love music. Only thing for have big AC, big bumbucklad mansion, this Hapilos blood clot entity here. We need for destroy. Everything when not good for Jamaica need for destroy nowadays. You hear me I tell you? Alright. So them caption, this are from Quest Time. It say, have a story to tell, share your experience at surviving Hapilos. So the youth were exposed Hapilos, them are do something about it. Because I remember say about 2 years ago him come out and him expose Hapilos and rob him and enough artists start talk up. Zin, now see them build a website because they're doing something about it. And I just time alone can move Hapilos. And time will end their days. No people, so these are the brother who expose Hapilos. You see me? And look how long them they about. Hapilos, Zodiac and the whole of them. You see it? Right now, we need to get them out. Them can't rob artists, brother. You see me? And the whole of the artists them right now, them wish if them did secure them thing like Kartel or, you see me? The ones them who have them priority in order. Look like a Kartel alone. Being him on to having money. You see me? Yeah, so we are getting at this. I'm sick and tired to hear about the artists them I get robbed. From ever since. In the Dennis Brown days them. From way back then. Bag of white people and outsider come a produce and a rob the artists them and come give them some 2 cents. That's why you see violence can't done and the world can't better. And a black people, them a leech off, I know the world a leech off of black people. You no need for open your mind, black people. Imagine smoking without police provoking and any city thugs them are open. Garrison, all of the garrison them linking. Watch you know, make a play this and hear what the artists them a say. Cause them a expose Hapilos, you know. No joke.
I'm not going to accept it. If you have a story to share, visit survivinghapilos.com. Sir, I'm going to ask you if you can. No, the situation has not been resolved as yet. For context, the earlier video is pinned to my profile. Here's where things stand. My distribution agreement reached its end date, January 2026. At the same time, my catalog continues to be distributed and is still generating revenue based on statements I'm receiving. Separately, the third party assigned to receive those royalties have not received any payment and they have not been given any explanation for that change. So the question I'm trying to understand is simple. How can revenue continue to be collected while remittance are paused entirely? And given...
You see all Babsy Grange, you see that bumble, you see that weird solo man there? She not do nothing for the music what she fair do. Cause of them thing that Babsy Grange fair do. And she always talk about sports and culture. And I be a rob them bumble and make the artists them get robbed. You see me? Babsy Grange forgot blood clot retire and come out I think man and make some young people from some different party. Cause none of the JLP them not make sense. You know see Andre Stephen have to walk well left them corruption. For sure, yo. 1 out of the 30th member of parliament that is JLP. And one of them alone walk away from the bag of corruption. See? And the one where everybody say a fish. For sure, yo. Say Jamaica full of be a despicable worse than any fish. You see me? Them live in a corruption and rather for walla in the corruption than for step away from it. You get what me I say? Yeah.
Agreement has already reached its end date. What should and should not be continued during an unresolved situation? One thing I've learned through this process is how distribution chain actually works behind the scenes. In my case, that includes Hapilos, the archers, before reaching the DSPs, and each layer may take a share along the way.
You see it all Sony. Sony are one of the main corporation. You see what Sony do to Michael Jackson? Why we allow them to steal around? Why we allow them to steal from black people continuously? You know what I mean? And then we have artists. That's why you see if me I got blood, yo, as me get my first song out there, you know, man. Me no in no blood clot partnership with enough of them big deal. For my fans, them say, yeah, a leprosy I do it. You mad? Yeah, mad. Me rather have my little blood clot, one little producer and I make hit song. And if we don't recognize them being hit song, then we just go and do the work and we not run down nothing. Because we now go slave ourselves to make these big corporations buy jet and jet fuel and big tanks and baiting AC room and mansion out of my hard work. Like how the MASKITA idiot boy a slave out himself a Def Jam. And guess what? Him not put no money in a Def Jam pocket because him flap. A one flow him have. You see what I say? So we understand the assignment and know the music and full of flow, full of style. What thing not stagnant like swamp water. You see me? Yeah, full of bacteria and germs. Watch you know, man.
Works when everything is aligned. But when something goes wrong, like a dispute or a breakdown in communication, it can become much more hard to understand exactly where the issue is happening. I'm going to be real about my side in all of this. At the time I signed the agreement without getting a lawyer involved, payment had stopped just like now, and I had made the decision to move forward. I took that lesson, honored the full term, and completed 5 years under that agreement.
You know what? Even the waste blood clot 4-year dopey bat boy when name something Leng. Zin? We're not talking about the Sting one now. We're talking about Leng. Where name Clive Leng or something like so. The 4-year dopey brother and Nancy looking one where you can tell say mama and papa they are wobia iniquity worker. You see me? Him always a cuss the artist them where I get robbed, and him not cuss blood clot Hapilos them where rob the artist them. Him not have no energy for this the people them who are robbing and draining and stealing. Just like you see the music business with all these thief like Hapilos, SSL we are thief from Usain Bolt, and the government them we are part of this thieving thing because Hapilos and all of them probably appear extortion to our government, you know. I rob the artists them and I put money in the government pocket for the government allow them. See in the government, our government fair run with them people a long time, you know. And I make private sector them know say yo we need some people who care for music, but the growth for help artists them not come here and drain them and rob them. From you see Andrew now playing no part now put out nothing, especially that waste wretch there. What's your name? Babsy Grange. All waste bumbuckler. What the fuck she do for black people at Jamaica? Them youth, look how far him have got. A 2 year now him a fight Hapilos. You get me I say? 2 to 3 year now. What we are do? We need to get out them thief in corruption. Them make Jamaica can better. You see me? Them people that make Jamaica can better, and the government protect these thieving people, the SSL, the Hapilos, the Zojak them. You see me I say? Government protect them because them are extort them. The government not different from Dodos and Zeeks them where extort and I make sure say, yeah man, them people are safe. Them are pay them dues. But you see Dodos and Zeeks them better than the government because Dodos and Zeeks them not put up with thief them. Them beat them and make sure them take back the people them thing with them thief. But them our government here, them allow the thieving big entity them, the slave master them, the private slave backer master them where come here, them a pay tax to the Andrew them and the government. Then these green people fi continue nyam resources out of Jamaica and the people them. You see me? So they don't really care about us like what Michael Jackson say, you see me? And we're sick of it. How much more shall we take? I want to. As some know say Jamaica on our coward, you know. The heroic bloodline we were supposed to have it die out because of them new bumbuckler generation of people here. We're soft, the cancer culture type of people. We're talking about ban gun song because gun song make the response to crime. Fucking need that. And when we have bag of reggae music where they run the place in a Bob Marley time. We hardly have gun song in a Bob Marley time. And look how the place did violent. And a beer reggae music I sing. For sure you say it have nothing to do with the blood clot music. Here are the politician them and the things where them allow for go on. Why crime? Listen, I said this in a video, you know. I say the youth them are watching now. So when no found no parents and adults tell the little youth them say make sure you be a good boy and a good girl and do good. Don't give your parents trouble. But yet still the same pitney will not tell that for be good and don't give parents trouble. The same pitney them say, oh no, I applaud and I hug up and I prize the bad picking them will give the most trouble. So that inspire the good youth them for go do bad. Because them say, oh yeah, tell me if you do good. I'ma see you praise up some little rude picking and I go on like them are the best. Because so life was. No for forget what it was like as a child looking through your own lens and your eyes. You see me? So, let me tell you, adults, them wicked to, to the children. The adults them is just like the blood clot prime minister, like the Zodiac. Una rob the children them of them future. Una rob them of being fear. You get me I say? Una stop celebrate the evil kids them over the good kids. If our teachers and adults were to celebrate the good kids, right, that would make the bad kids want to becoming good more. See, but nowadays, you have the bad idiot dunce back them, the one them who are troublemaker, you have the one them who not no sense, right, who are not so much of a troublemaker, but them just not no sense, and them is a problem to the nation when you lack sense and intelligence, because you will choose to have a prime minister like Bumblewell Andrew, where a thief and a rob. When you're done and not no sense, that is what you do. Put the country in the bumbleclot worst state of, you see me? And remember, I said there's always lesser people with sense in this world than the one them when not no sense. There's lesser amount of good people in this world than the one them were evil. Is what I say? So good people are outnumbered by the evil dunce people. But once you have people with sense, no care how small the number is, dunce people, when I know the answer, them will have to conform to what the intelligent people are say when they hear. Because dunce people will never want to be the first one to answer a question, because them afraid and know them dunce. But the few intelligent people, them know the answer, so them are going left for answer it. Yes, what I say? So intelligent people have the power to shape the entire world to make dunce people follow them. You see my boy, look like the intelligent people, they might make dunce but lead them, because you have intelligent people when are brave, we are coward. You get me? Them afraid to talk up. And that is important. You see me? So make a run through this,
Now here we are again, trying to get clarity on what happened next. I'm currently addressing this through appropriate channels, and I'm documenting everything carefully, because if this can happen at this level, it can happen to any creative who do not fully understand the structure behind their music. This is not just my story. It is a conversation every creative in this industry needs to have. If you have a story to share and want to be a part of the conversation, visit survivinghapilos.com. Selected experience may be featured in an upcoming documentary on this ongoing process. I will keep...
Yes, we need a documentary on Netflix exposing Hapilos. Them supposed to want change all them name and blood not go start over or runway. That way for the people, because them are rob whole heap of artists. And the artists them afraid to talk to, because them feel like say them careers on the line. Enough of them artists here, and enough Jamaicans, whether in the workplace or whatever field them, they're just like the house slave, where them afraid to talk up against them backer master. You get me I say? Them slave master, because them afraid of the punishment. We're not afraid of punishment. When we were a baby, we used to afraid of pain and punishment. But now, say, are you afraid of my anger? I'm wrath. I decide for that. You have to grow stronger and grow even more wickeder when it comes to standing up for your right, and grow to be more braver. But enough people grow to become more coward and think say a sense make them coward. You have people who used to ruthless as a child, but when them grow up, them think a sense them get to make them start be more careful and more mindful. But no, you have to know there is a thin line, you know what I mean, between brave and cowardness. You see what I say? Yeah, man. So you can't put your life before everything on earth. Like put your life before everything. No. You have to put standing up for your right and for black people before even your life. Because that our era them do make we there can live better than how them used to live. Because them put them life on the line. Them never put them life before people. You get what I say? Or them never put them life before for stand up and fight. You see what I say? No, that, because at the end of the day, you can't live under certain condition and not choose to fight. You're a coward and you're a slave. You have become a slave. So you have to war and break the chain, fight to the death for make changes come. You can't live as a coward. You get me? God no reward coward. God love the brave, because God is brave and God make us in his image. So all of the coward people, them were afraid to do things, them is not of God. They are the chosen one. You see me? You have to just brave and fight for the right, as what Bob Marley say. Why you think Bob Marley them a hero? Why you think Sam Sharp and all of them a hero? Because you have to know your life is not all. Sometimes you have to willing for dead to take a stand. I want to you. You see me I say? And that separate a hero from a regular man and a regular girl. You see me? So watch this. Make a run through this.
Sharing updates as this develops because clarity in the industry is something we all deserve. Follow at Surviving Hapilos on Instagram and TikTok. I'll be putting updates there as we go along. Them always stop, but we not give up. No, we not give up. No, we not give up. Well, what kind of mad?
Yeah, so I them thing I started to talk over my people, but I them thing I would talk about all the while, you see me? Even in America, where for years, decades, we see white police officer, all type of light-skinned police officer are abused black people or other people. We have a whole heap of racists in America, right? And over the decades, over the centuries, we see them kill black people. And nowadays, black people will get compensated for the ill treatment by the authorities, right? But you see, until black people start go all out and start wipe out these corrupt racist police and them pitney. Because I'm gonna tell you, see, if black people now go hard against these corruption and racists, then it's going to continue because the money don't mean nothing to America, you know. So when an unlawful, evil police, racist cop in America unalive a black person, right, or a black child, because a lot of that are going, them are unalive the black pitney, the black girl, them not care these racist pigs. They don't care who the pitney, who the guy. Once you're black, you have to die. That is how them look upon it. It could have been a baby. Zin? And these white racists and Chinese racists in America, a lot of other ethnic groups in America believe that they are more American than the black people them there. You see what I say? So when you have these people in authority where unalive black people, and then black people are so comfortable with getting or receiving compensation for them dead pitney in a foreign. Zin? Black people are very comfortable with getting rewarded with this compensation when a racist cop unalive them family member or them loved ones. And that shows that black people are far from getting changed until them turn up them game. You see, if black people in America now got blood clot, look for the police, racist cop and him family and wipe out back in pitney them and wipe out back him wife, burn down all him house. If you don't know blood clot do that, the system are going to continue wipe out black people and give you a $2 million and say, yeah man. And then the next day, another white racist cop are going to wipe out more black people and go no next $2 million, 20 million. Then we'll all give you 100 blood clot million for the unfair treatment we want to get. Because of them print money no mean nothing to them black people. So uno stop make these racist copper kill uno family and then uno go and collect 5 million US from the government and feel good. Because it shows uno put money before uno own family and own generation bloodline. We are God's people. You see me? We are the special people of God. That's why we can withstand the sun. You know, so much people in France dead, 1,000 dead. You see me? By heat wave or whatever, probably corona. Probably those who took the corona for population control. You see me? So black people no need to stop collect all these money when a racist cop kill no pitney, kill no loved ones. You no need to go look for them, make it a point of duty to go look for these cops and them family. I could have them newborn pitney. Go look for them and blood clot, wipe out everything. Just like how God sent him greatest a king for wipe out nation and said don't left not even the woman them alive. A son of a deal. You see, if black people now deal with the racists attack them like this, then the cops them are going to continue for year to know, unalive, you know, and sacrifice them job just for see a next black one gone under the dirt. Because uno black people are so dumb. Uno should have turned down them money here with the government are go, no. Stop take these money. Go look for the white man and the Chinese man, them the Asian, the Indian, whosoever I hate pound. No. And this goes for all nations too. Because there are white cops who are racist against Chinese. There are white cops who are racist against. There are even black cops who are racist against black people. You see me? So if we come across those black evil law enforcers, then we'll give them the same treatment. I don't care if you're black. We'll look for the pigs them and bring them family to the stakeout. You get me? I bet you say any old black people start for hunt down these unlawful, wicked, racist cops and law enforcement who are unlawfully unaliving black people and ill-treating them. I bet any money if black people start for hunt them like the KKK. If black people start for hunt them and care less about the reward, right? These racist cops will have to stop. I bet you any money these racist cops will have to stop. Their family will even warn them before they leave out the house and say, honey, don't go provoking no black people today because black people aren't having it. You know what I mean? Black people, stop taking these money from the American system when these racist cops unalive your family and loved ones. Go make it a point of duty to look for these cops and their family and chase them out of town, right? Burn them out. That is the only way you guys will get respect. It's the only way for black people to get respect. Okay? But you black people are chasing the money. You black people are chasing the reward. Stop chasing the reward and go chase the culprit racist cop who is... Because everywhere over social media, you see these cops throwing tantrum. It's crazy. You know, just because the black people are... They on this power trip. They need to get fixed. The nation needs to rise. Stop with the protests and go look for them, hunt them down, even their kids. You need to make an example that they would be so ashamed. Look, I'm telling you, when an evil cops unalive a young black boy, you need to go to the ends of the earth to find the entire generation of that cop and stake out their asses. Let the news say, oh my God, black people burnt a little child because a cop had took away one of their child. I swear to God, bro, this is the only way racial attack will stop. You got to use violence, black people, and stop use the court and stop depending on the court because they print money. They make money. You're being duped. When they unalive more black people and give you $2 million, then they come the next day, unalive more black people and give you $50 million. Then the next cop come and unalive 2 more black people, and then they give you $100 million. And then, come on, black people, they don't care. When will you get... We need to chase these crazy ballheads out of our town, these thieves, these evil. And Jamaica needs to do the same. Because we are facing the same problem with corrupt police out here. We need to start get them out. You know what I mean? We need to start get them out. I the police not try me. I dare yo, them better not try me. Because I know set. I'm willing for blood clot dead. I'm going to carry down one of them with me. So them corrupt police, they will dip on them power trip. Better not try it with me. Because my head not good. That is a promise. I promise. Oh, we is not a good boy like MASKITA. Okay, so the industry baby him up and pump and powder him like blood clot barber. See, Mavado the barber, we have put powder upon man's face. Bumbo clot. To know. We got anything to steal.